So we've got corned beef, canned beef, bully beef on the menu today, with some potatoes, some onions, and a few other little spices. You can add exactly what you want, actually. A nice cheap budget meal. Varies from different countries around the world. I mean, Jamaica's got a very famous bully beef. I think South Africa's got a famous one. England's got one. Yeah, everyone's got one, I think. You can add what you like. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got our corned beef or bully beef or canned beef. One can, there's 340 grams, that one. I've got some potatoes there, cut fairly small. A cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of onions, tablespoon of garlic, and today I'm using, there's like 2 teaspoons of allspice there, or pimento. Now, anything goes. You can get some peppers in there, you can get some fresh chilies in there, you can get some thyme in there, oregano, chili powder, you know, anything goes. It's a bit of a kind of classic budget meal. Let's get to the cooker, we'll build it up. So a wok, skillet, pan or whatever. I've got some oil in there, I'm using a sunflower oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're going to start off with our potatoes and drop them in. The heat's on, I'll just put it on, it's on an above medium. We're going to start off by adding a little bit of salt into that and some black pepper. Just want to get a little bit of colour on these potatoes first by frying them, maybe just for like 4 minutes or so. Yeah, like I say, with this dish, anything goes, and everyone around the world seems to make a different version of it. So yeah, you can add and take away whatever you like. If you don't like what I'm putting in, stick something else in. I'll be back in about 4 minutes. So just about 4 minutes just to get those potatoes a little head start. Then we're going to go with that 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and again about another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving. Fantastic. Okay, 1 cup of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. To that we're going to add the allspice or the pimento. And like I said, if you want, stick something different in there, any spice you like. You can put some curry powder in if you want. Another 4 to 5 minutes this time. Let's just cook these tomatoes down a little bit while our potatoes are softening. Okay, in the final stage, we're going to add the corned beef or the bully beef or canned beef. In that goes. We're going to work this in now and go again for another 4 to 5 minutes on this fairly vibrant heat. Then we're done. Okay, simple as can be, serving that with some white bread and a couple of fried eggs. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.